is this is an efficient and pythonic way to see if any item in an iterable is true for a certain attribute. Say you have an iterable sequence of thing objects called things. Each thing has a method is underscore whatever that returns true if it fulfills the whatever criteria. I want to efficiently find out if any item in things is whatever. This is what I'm doing now. Is that an efficient way to do it, i.e. Python will stop generating items from the iterable as soon as it finds the first true result? Stylistically, is it pythonic?
You should use the built-in function any.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.